Okay, so this is the template we downloaded. All you need to do is highlight whatever you want to change and insert your own content. Type in your own content. Okay, so book title, I'm changing it to The Beautiful Damsel. Author name, to say. Okay, so you go to the copyright page. This is 2020, so 2020, your name, if you have your ISBN you can insert it. This is the dedication page. You can type in whatever you want here. In fact, if you want to change the color of this one, you can change it, but then basically that black is fine. But it's just a template you can use so that you don't have to go through all of the stress of creating your own templates. Though if you can create your own template, it's a good one. You can create your own original template, it's a good one, but then that's going to take some work, and we're not learning that here. So this chapter 1, you insert your chapter 1, the contents from your Word document, you insert them here. You can change the font, you can do anything you want to do. Now this is the header. You can just change book title. The book title is The Beautiful Damsel. The Beautiful Damsel, right? Okay, where do we have that now? Okay, The Beautiful Damsel, that's your header, and you see it's on this page too now. That's fixed, so you continue fixing like that until you're done. It's pretty simple and easy to use this templates. Pretty simple and easy. Yeah, so that's it.